Okay, next is Sunita Kumari.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Ask a question.
Hello,
Kumari.
Sunita.
Yes,
Please
ma'am. Good
proceed.
afternoon. Yes, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Yes, ma'am. He is an Ayurvedic doctor. So, what are the further opportunities for him over there?
Ayurvedic is not accepted in Germany, right?
Okay.
Homeo or Ayurvedic.
Okay. So,
Maybe you have to go through the house building program with Devkaran sir for
okay,
nursing
ma'am.
or any other physiotherapy. Then only you can able to enter because as Ayurvedic is not proven and even Germany they don't allow the degree. It's not valid actually.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, Piyush Nawani. Your question, please.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello,
Ma'am,
Piyush.
I have two questions. What is the scenario of MBA in Germany?
MBA in Germany. What are your qualifications? Can I know
Uh,
that first?
Last year I have done my BCom.
Okay, BCom. And
Yeah.
also, do you have any experience?
No, ma'am.
And what all the percentage you have in BCom?
Around 62 or 65.
Okay, okay. Let me tell you one thing. For BCom degree, it is not related to business, right? For example, Bachelor of Commerce, okay? And
Okay.
if you wish to go for MBA program directly, is not possible to either state recognized or public university. First of all, you have 3-year degree, so you are not really directly eligible to go and take public university. You have chances to get into state recognized universities with your score because your score is also not so high. And
Okay.
for that, like you can't get into MBA degree directly because your bachelor degree is not related to MBA because you have to, for example, in state recognized university, if you have to go for MBA program, you have to do your BBA, that is Bachelor Degree of Administration. Okay, so that is mandatory thing, and also if you wish to apply for MBA direct program is not possible. You need relevant experience, like minimum 1.5 to 2 years in India. After doing your BBA, you have to work in India itself, and then only you are able to apply for MBA program in Germany. There is
Oh,
no direct MBA programs in Germany because the AMBA accreditations is not like easy to get. So you have to get experience first, and it has to be relevant to your bachelor degree.
minimum experience
Your
1 year.
1.5 year to 2 years minimum.
And ma'am, second question is what is the scenario of Bank Kaufmann Ausbildung?
Bank of man of house
Aus-
building. House building programs, I think Devkaranji is the better option to tell more about it because I am related to the universities. So
Right.
house building programs, you can talk to Devkaranji.
जनरली बैंक से रिलेटेड जो हाउस बिल्डिंग प्रोग्राम्स हैं इंडियंस के लिए वो ओपन उस तरह से नहीं रहते हैं. कोई आपको अगर ये पता हो कि कोई पर्टिकुलर इंस्टीट्यूशन है जो बैंक काउफमान के लिए ओपन कर रखे हैं डोर्स, तो आप मेरे को बता सकते हो, हम उनसे डायरेक्ट अप्रोच कर सकते हैं. लेकिन जनरली मैंने जितना अभी पता किया है, बैंक वाले उस सेक्टर में जनरली उन लोगों को कुर्सी पे बैठने वाले लोग नहीं चाहिए होते हैं. हाउस बिल्डिंग प्रोग्राम्स में उनको ब्लू कॉलर वाले जॉब्स, राइट, जनरली उनको जो फिजिकली जिसमें ज्यादा काम इन्वॉल्व रहता है वो लोग चाहिए होते हैं. तो वो भी बहुत मुश्किल से मिलेगा, अगर मिलेगा तो. बट आपको अगर ये पता हो कि ये लोग डिमांड कर रहे हैं उसकी, तो आप मेरे को बता सकते हो.
Okay, sir. Okay.
ओके, थैंक
Okay.
यू.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Rohit Bhargav, you may ask your question, please.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir. Very good afternoon, ma'am. Rohit this
Good
side.
afternoon. Yeah, Rohit. Yeah,
Yeah, I
please.
have two queries regards to my career. I have done
Okay.
my schooling from my hometown in the field of agriculture. So
Uh-huh.
the question is what if I gonna pursue for the house building in kind of like agriculture department or any kind of internship in agriculture. So is there any kind of scopes in a university or like in a house building in agriculture?
House building, I'm not sure, but in universities, they do have agriculture programs, but it is like designed for local students, like German students. That is also a kind of house building programs and even degrees. But like directly from India, there is no, master degree or bachelor degree for particularly agriculture.
All right, all right.
Yeah, yeah. So you can choose like related programs.
Okay.
which is
So
related to agriculture. Yes.
you don't have any kind of like guess any like of knowledge of like house building in like agricultures and all. So the second question
Mm,
is, ma'am,
mhm.
let it be. Second question is like earlier you mentioned about like nursing in medical fields in house building. Doesn't that like, get a category of any kind of bachelors or masters?
Where for nursings you are asking?
Yeah. Yeah, yeah,
You're asking me that like if somebody comes to Germany and do nursing house building, that
yeah, yeah.
gives like degree qualification or not, right? You're asking.
Yeah, ma'am. Exactly.
Yeah, yeah. For example, I'm telling you, there is so much of difference between like nursing program in India. For example, if you done your nursing in India, you have to like again you have to go for like experience, and you don't really earn much. For example, in Germany, if you have done your house building with nursing, your job will be guaranteed, and the day one they'll start paying you. For example, if some student is studying in BSc nursing in India, they don't get anything. But in these 3 years, any student who is doing house building in nursing, definitely they'll be getting paid like €1,000 is the minimum payment for them. Okay, 1,000 to 1,500 euros is the minimum salary for them, and they'll be guaranteed job with the guaranteed job. As soon as they finish their house building, they have plenty of opportunities, and the salary will be 3,800 to 4,000 minimum salary for per month, which is equivalent to doctor. Okay, they have very good scarcity. I mean, there is much scarcity in Germany for nurses. Better, I always tell, instead of doing nursing in India, better choose nursing to do nursing house building in Germany, which is like you can set your career right now. It's like guaranteed job. Once you are entering into Germany, that your job is confirmed through house building. Okay. After finishing, you will get house building certificate. It will be valid throughout the world. And if you have German certification of house building in nursing, which is like internationally valid, and it will be giving you definitely a good career for you.
Okay, ma'am. In India,
Yes.
like there are masters in nursing as
Mm-hmm.
like we are, if somebody is like pursuing for the BSc nursing in India,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
as well he can like pursue for the masters MSc in nursing. So as similar like in Germany, you told
Mm-hmm.
that there is not any kind of masters in nursing. So is
Yes.
there any kind of similar courses like masters in Germany in the nursing fields or in the medical fields?
Yes, yes, it depends. Like again, I'm telling you, right? There are many courses other than nursing also, like MSc psychology, MSc health management. All these courses they can do in Germany. For example, if they complete their bachelor's, like house building in nursing in Germany, then definitely they have like higher category. For example, they have to become a senior nurse. Okay, they have
Okay.
like a 1 year or 1.5 year program there itself. You can apply easily. It's like you definitely your salary will be increased, and you will become there will be some exam which is called PG test, right? MSc they do have in house building. After finishing your house building program, definitely they have 1.5 to 2 years course, extra course. If you wish, you can do, or else you can continue your job.
Okay, from India, like I have done my master, like BSc nursing, and I'm
Mm,
going to be like hired from Germany.
mm.
And with the experience, can I like apply for the like promotion for all of that things?
Yes, if you are good in German, then definitely you can able to apply there along with
Doesn't it
your
matter?
job.
Like, doesn't it matter? My English is like not so good, so
Not
I will not
English.
be able
They
to.
require, once you enter into Germany, that too science fields, particularly in nursing or medicine field, definitely your language should be a barrier because you have to learn German. Like
Okay,
nothing to
then
escape. Yeah, you have to learn like good German into
only.
these science programs. Yes, except the IT programs. Whenever you have a science background, if you wanted to settle down there, so German is very important.
Okay, as well, I have like cloud computing and the IT sector courses I have done from the as an internship from the institutes in India. So
Mm-hmm.
I don't have any like experience. I just left that cause of like there are that there are too much lacks of placements and all things in like institutes in India.
Mm-hmm.
Nobody going to be hired like the peoples from the institutes and private sectors like universities. All are there going to just like they are looking forward to hire like experienced man only. So recently in 2021, I have done my like few course of like IT sectors like CCNA, CHNA, and like
Mhm.
cloud computing. So
Mhm.
I didn't had like any kind of like knowledge this. Where should I like apply for the job? So does that like work for me?
No, you have done your BSc or MSc nursing in India. I'm just
No, no, no.
asking you. Uh-huh.
For my,
You
I'm just asking for the IT sector courses, CHNA, CCNA, cloud computing, and all things.
so you wanted to come as a do masters or bachelors? I didn't get your question.
Ma'am, I had backups for the like in IT sectors. I had done some courses from
Okay.
institutes.
You have done your courses, and what is your main bachelor degree? That's what I'm asking you.
Right now, I'm as totally fresh. I don't have any kind of like degrees in a bachelor. So that what thing I am asking since long time.
Oh, okay, okay. Because if you
That
have
was my
done your
backup.
intermediate, you are eligible to apply for bachelor's. And if you have bachelor degree in India, you can apply for master's. Other than this, if you want, you can go for house building programs, even for IT sectors. If you have relevant experience, and you can talk to Mr. Devkaran sir regarding that IT house building programs. But you are not eligible to apply for master degree because you don't have bachelor, no? So
Yeah.
we will calculate your intermediate. When did you finish your 12th grade in India? After that, there should not be more gaps, not more than 2 years. So definitely we can help you for bachelor degree or house building. It depends upon, but this course is not really valid because there's
Okay.
any university from India. And one more point, all of you students, before applying to Germany, you have to go to the website Anaben. There you have to, put your, university name or college name. Then they'll be showing like H plus or H minus. So you are not supposed to apply if you have H plus minus or H minus. You have to get only H plus in that category. Then only you are eligible to enter into Germany. This is very, very important thing because most of the students from north part or south part coming to me, and they're asking that whether I can go to Germany. First and foremost thing, you have to go to the Anaben website. I can provide you the link. There you have to check your college qualifications for there in German website. If you don't have H plus, there is no possibility of entering into Germany, or even you can't apply for APS as well. This is very, very important point. Please note it. You have to check your college qualifications.
Okay.
All right, ma'am. I
Yeah.
am done. Thank you.
Yeah.
Welcome.
Person is Abhinav Singh.
Yeah, good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Ma'am, I am from Varanasi and I have done my 12th with biology and
Mm-hmm.
my BSc with biology itself. So
Mm-hmm.
I was thinking about should I go for masters in actually I wanna go for healthcare.
Mm-hmm.
Am I eligible to go for MSc in any health related courses, or should I go for Ausbildung in nursing? Since I have a background of biology,
Mm-hmm.
so I'm little bit
Biology in
confused.
bachelor's.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, you have biology and other subjects. Can I know?
Biology, botany, zoology, and chemistry.
Okay, what was your percentage?
It's 73%.
73%. And do you have German language with you?
I am currently on A2,
Okay. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
so
And again,
I was
I'm telling you are eligible to apply. Like you have 3-year degree, right?
yeah.
Yeah. So that is the problem. You are not eligible to apply for public universities for free education. Definitely, you can apply for state recognized universities with this your percentage, and you have chances for applying like public health management or MSc psychology. All these MSc programs you can take it as a related program because you are eligible to apply any science group in English or either. For example, if you wish to go for master's psychology in German language, you can take, or else if you wanted to go for English thought program, you can go ahead. But
And
your percentage should be,
oh,
yeah, IELTS percentage should be 6 overall band, not less
okay.
than 5.5 each
And
band. If for English and for German, you need to finish B2 level of German for MSc
okay.
psychology.
And ma'am,
Yes.
what is the scope of these courses in Germany?
Scope of what you asked me? Can you repeat?
Like, what is the scope of these courses, like MSc in psychology or
Yeah.
health
Yes, I can
public
tell
health?
you, like MSc Psychology or Public Health Management, if you have a good German, anyway, though you're studying in English thought program, definitely you need B1 level of German because you have to go do your internships. It's like part of your curriculum. You have to work in
Okay.
a hospitals. Okay. All
Okay.
this public health management and psychology, and I do have other public sector, like, hospital management, all these programs we do have. But definitely, even if you are studying in English thought program, you need German language as soon as you enter in Germany, because you have to finish your internship and getting into job, like very, very good jobs they have. I'm telling you, right? Like it is very good, great scope if you do masters there with your degree.
Okay, ma'am. And
Yeah.
ma'am, should I complete my B1 here, or after when I take admission, I can
If you
complete while? Yeah.
Yes, yeah. If you wish to study in German thought program, definitely you
Okay.
need German language. Okay,
Okay.
B1 to B2 level, because it depends upon again on the university. I will check with that and get back to you. And if you want to study in English, definitely you can join. And meanwhile, in these 2 years, you have to learn with good German, at least B1 to B2. It all depends
Okay, ma'am.
upon your wish. And anyway, for this MSc Psychology, it's not only in hospital. You can work in the schools, colleges, universities, because it all depends upon the psychology. You can choose the specialization as a child psychology or adult psychology, or even like
Okay.
they do have, yeah, corporate psychologies as well. So you can choose, depend upon your qualification or interest.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Yeah, welcome. Yes.
Next is Prince and then Nitu. Prince, you are.
Good afternoon, sir.
Prince will ask first, then Nitu.
Okay, okay.
Prince, are you there?
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Yes. Good afternoon.
मैम
Good afternoon.
मैम मैंने बैचलर्स ऑफ आर्ट्स प्लस एलएलबी की हुई है मैम.
Mm-hmm. Arts
ma'am-
with LLB.
यस मैम.
Mm-hmm.
6 ईयर
That is lawyer
प्रोग्राम मैम ये.
program.
यस मैम 6 ईयर प्रोग्राम था मैम ये. और मैम मैं जर्मनी जाना चाहता हूँ मैम. इसके रिगार्डिंग क्वेरी थी मैम.
Yes, yes.
हाउस बिल्डिंग
Uh,
प्रोग्राम के अंडर मैम.
Okay. Are you going to do house building in which sector? Are you looking for any particular sector, or how come?
मैम मैंने सर के साथ बात की थी. उन्होंने नर्सिंग के लिए वो किया था मैम.
Okay, okay.
Yes,
Definitely.
ma'am.
Then definitely you are eligible to apply. Not a problem. If you are going for nursing house building program, definitely you can do it. And for law, and you have done your LLB, no? In Germany, it's like highly impossible to become a lawyer or something, because you need to start your studies from abitur, from the intermediate. You have to study there in Germany, because then only you are able to apply for LLB courses or lawyer courses. They need high level of German, C2. Okay, and from India, it's like they don't consider our degree. As soon as you enter, you have to start your career from the day one. And anyways, you are not really directly eligible to apply for any lawyer courses. As Devkaranji suggested you, better you can opt for nursing house building.
थैंक यू मैम.
Welcome.
Now Nitu Rajput.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Ma'am, I have done BSc Radiology.
Mhm.
Can I apply for BSc Radiology?
BSc or MSc Radiology?
No, ma'am. BSc Radiology.
We have done BSc Radiology in India.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, is there
Okay.
any scope in German?
That's what I mean to say. Like radiology is completely under medicine program in Germany. They don't consider our BSc radiology in India from India, definitely. But you can do masters related to other programs, not in particularly radiology, because radiology is a huge subject in Germany. In India, I know that there is a very little part of radiology in a medicine program, but definitely
ma'am.
in Germany they look for 4-year degree. If you have 4-year degree radiology in India, then you have chances to get in to public universities with B2 level or C1 level language. But now
अगर-
with BSc, yeah,
मैम अगर हमें एमएससी करनी है, मतलब अगर मेरे पास बीएससी की डिग्री है, मुझे एमएससी करनी है जर्मन से, तो मैं
Yeah, you
मतलब मैं
can
किसमें
do-
कर सकती
MSc Neuroscience, MSc Psychology, all these programs you can do, not with the radiology,
Ma'am, in
but
healthcare,
with the state healthcare, yes, healthcare sectors. Like we do have a lot of programs through health sector programs for MSc. I can give you a list later, but you have to choose the different faculty, not radiology, definitely.
okay,
But
ma'am.
to state
Ma'am,
recognized university, you need to pay the fees for that. That too only in English taught programs.
मैम नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या होता है, मतलब अगर हमें एडमिशन लेना है तो हमें कैसे लेना है?
Yes, you can always approach Devkaran ji for this higher education for masters. Definitely, you can fill the form and submit. We will definitely get back to you soon.
ओके
We will help
मैम.
you out. Yes.
मैम एक और क्वेश्चन है मैम. माय सिस्टर डन GNM
Mm-hmm.
मैम. शी कैन अप्लाई इन जर्मनी.
GNM, no, GNM, they have direct placements, no? For that, Devkaran sir is like helping you guys for direct placements. They can, your sister can contact Devkaran sir for that, but they need German language.
At
ओके
3 o'clock, we have a session today itself for nursing. So maybe you can ask your question. The link will be
Yes.
same.
3 o'clock,
Okay.
yes.
तो
Now,
प्लीज
at 3 o'clock, we have another session, and that is for nurses. So you can join the session and we will discuss in detail about
ओके
nursing.
ओके सर माय लास्ट क्वेश्चन. मैम मेरे भाई ने IITI किया हुआ है इलेक्ट्रिसिटी में, तो मैम एनी स्कोप?
Yes, definitely we can go for IT, yeah.
ITI जिन्होंने किया है, मान लो 10th के बाद में या 12th के बाद में, तो उनके लिए कभी कभी डायरेक्ट प्लेसमेंट आते हैं, तो वो चेक करना पड़ेगा कि डायरेक्ट प्लेसमेंट अवेलेबल है क्या, और अगर मान लो डायरेक्ट प्लेसमेंट नहीं है तो उसी से रिलेटेड कोई आउटसोर्सिंग प्रोग्राम हो सकता है.
सर हमें कैसे पता लगेगा अगर डायरेक्ट प्लेसमेंट है, तो हमें कैसे पता लगेगा कोई, मतलब
आप टच में रहेंगे तो पता चलेगा, क्योंकि कोई भी हमको अप्रोच करते हैं जर्मनी से तो हम उसका अनाउंसमेंट करते हैं.
फिर कैसे आपसे कनेक्ट कैसे रहेंगे? यूट्यूब से?
नहीं, यहाँ पे नंबर दिया है 7597559400. यहाँ पे
ओके
मैसेज कर दो, एक व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप में आपको ऐड कर देंगे, तो कोई भी मैसेज आएगा तो आपके पास पहुंचेगा.
ओके, थैंक यू सर.
वेलकम. और जर्मन स्पीकर्स क्लब जो यूट्यूब का चैनल है उसको भी आप सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हो. अगर नहीं,
ओके, थैंक यू सर.
या एक क्वेश्चन पहले ऑफलाइन स्टूडेंट का और उसके बाद में वापस ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट. प्लीज आस्क योर क्वेश्चन. रामनिवास.
Hello Sukanya ma'am, I
Yeah.
am Ramniwas side. I did my graduation in BBA in 2022 and that was specialized in travel and tourism industry, and I scored 6 points for CGP in that, and I have more than 3 years of work experience, and right now I am learning German language with Dev sir, and I want to pursue MBA or MIM in international business order.
Yeah, international business management.
International
Okay.
business or business analytics. So I wanted to know what kind of options are available for me.
Okay, definitely I'll help you out. So you have done your BBA, right? Like tourism. Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
BBA that was specialized in
Okay,
travel and
okay.
tourism.
Okay, and you have relevant experience, right? Like whatever you have done your bachelor's, you have relevant experience, work experience in the same field.
No, no, that's in a different sector.
Okay,
I did
okay.
job in IT sector. So
IT sector. Okay.
I only did graduation in travel and tourism, and that was in COVID period. So tourism industry was completely collapsed during that period. So I did job in different sector.
Okay. So as I'm telling you, if you have 3-year degree and 3 years experience, definitely there are chances to get into public universities. But only the thing here lacking is like you don't have relevant experience. Okay. Because if you have done BBA in some particular course, it has to be like your experience should be on the same field. Definitely you would have been gone to MSc into public universities. But now you can also don't mind, like usually you have a chances only for getting into state recognized universities for doing your MSc international business management, or you have MBA program also. You are directly eligible to apply for MBA program as well, that is Masters of Business Administration, but you need to pay the tuition fees for that.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I don't want to pursue that field. I want to pursue MBA or MIM in business analytics or
Definitely. Yes, definitely.
yeah,
You are eligible to apply for state recognized universities.
not in public universities.
No, no, no. We can
Okay,
apply,
ma'am.
but there are directly rejections will be happen. So I don't want to discourage you by applying.
Yeah, ma'am. And unfortunately, my CGPA is also low. That is
Yes, not
6.5.
good. Yes, yes, yes. That is also one more reason.
And yes, ma'am, out of curiosity, I wanted to know one more thing, and that is after passing out from there, how much salary I can expect in MBA?
Of
We
as
can
MBA
say,
program. Yes,
yeah,
yes. I'm telling you, right, if you continue this German language, like, within this like period of masters, doing masters, if you're very good at German till B2 level, like definitely there are high chances to get in because they have very good chances and opportunities for, who speaks German, good German. They have very good management or MBA programs, like they have very good opportunities for them.
yes, ma'am, I will do B2 before landing in Germany.
Yes, definitely, definitely. We will also have contacts with
Uh,
job contacts in Germany. Definitely, we will able to help you once you finish your B2.
yeah, thank you so much, ma'am. And may I know
Welcome.
the average amount?
Salary.
Yeah, that's my concern.
Average salary in this
Salary
field.
Yeah,
in
after
master, yeah, yeah, MBA program. Yes, definitely.
MBA,
It
we
will
can.
be, yeah, it will be 3,500 to 4,000 is the average salary for the starting, like as a fresher. Like, once you finish your masters, and if you have, anyway, have experience in India, maybe if you, it depends upon your skills, like how you prove in the interview with good German language, definitely your salary will be more. It will be advantage if you work already in India and coming to Germany, and again you are doing masters and sitting for a job interview, right? Definitely they'll consider your, position, and also they'll recognize your qualifications. Definitely, it will be more than 4,000 to 4,500. It will be more than normal fresher.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
You're
And
welcome. Yeah.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, is there any direct placement opportunities also available for the
Or
candidates?
yeah, right now with B2 level we can try, but you need to finish your minimum B2 level of German in India, then we can apply for a job. We will help you out.
Okay, thank you so much.
Welcome.
Yeah, now Rajveer. Rajveer Kaur.
Yes, sir. Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Rajveer. Oh.
Ma'am, I'm Rajveer from Khanna City,
Yeah.
and I completed my graduation in commerce and
Mm-hmm.
in 2021. And after
Mm-hmm.
that, I did have experience in different fields
Mm-hmm.
of jobs. And and also I did IELTS exam with
Mm-hmm.
6.5 overall.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm looking for MSc Business Intelligence and Data Science. Is okay for me? As
Yes,
I'm
yes, we do
actually
have programs like MSc, cybersecurity, finance, all these particular topics. Definitely, you are eligible, but only the thing you have to get into state recognized private universities, which you have to pay the tuition fees.
okay.
Definitely, you are eligible to do your masters, whichever you are asking for, data analytics, AI, or data science, whatever it is, you are eligible to do it with your
Okay,
previous experience. Yeah.
okay. मैम ऑप्शंस के लिए मैं देख रही थी कि काम बर्लिन में इज दैट ओके फॉर मी
Yes,
और एनी
yes,
अदर
yes. Yeah,
एरियाज
yeah, definitely.
ओके
We
तो
have Berlin, Hamburg, Stuttgart, and also Leipzig, also like Regensburg. All these top, cities we have universities. Definitely, we will able to help you which university you wanted to choose.
okay. Ma'am, after completing this graduation, and what are the like opportunities for me like as joining as what like jobs there?
For example, if you wish to go for example, I'm telling you, if you have to go for MSc management in cybersecurity or data analytics, definitely they have the job opportunities in this field, particularly that too. I'm telling you, right, to learn German till B1 to B2. your job scores will be more. For example, if I'm giving that course details, example, if you wish to go for MSc Finance or Cyber Security or Data Science, you better go to that page. Definitely, they'll be having detailed information about your modules and the chances of getting into, a job opportunities column will be there. You can just check where and all, like what all the opportunities you have for the particular course. We will provide you the details later.
Okay, sure, sure. Ma'am,
Yeah.
salary starting like any idea like कहाँ से होती है?
Yeah, usually Germany, mainly in the cities, depends upon the cities as well. If you
Okay.
are in Munich, the salaries will be more than 4,000 and above. And if you are in other state like Augsburg or something in Bavaria state only, the salaries will be lower because the cost of living is also less there, right? It depends upon the city where you are getting a job. So
Right.
average salary will be 3,500 to 4,000 for the fresher.
Okay, fine.
Yes, yes. Thank you.
All right.
Thank you so
Now,
much, ma'am.
Welcome.
Baldev, you may ask your question, please.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Nandin.
Ma'am, my question is that now onwards I currently in Bachelor's of Commerce,
Mm-hmm.
and in 2025 I completed my bachelor's next month, and
Mm-hmm.
I want to go for an MBA in finance
Mm-hmm.
or
Mm-hmm.
any other dual course. Is it possible to pursue that in German?
Berlin, you're asking me.
No, no.
Uh-huh.
I don't specific cities in German, but I want to
Okay.
pursue that in MBA
Okay.
finance or in dual course.
Okay, you have done BA, right? Bachelor of Arts.
No, BCom.
BCom, okay. That's what I'm
Yeah,
just, I think this is the relevant question previously one student asked. The thing is, like, you have
yeah.
to do BBA in India, okay? That is related to
Okay.
usually, usually in public or private, state recognized universities, they will ask you to show the relevant bachelor degree. For example, if you wish to go for MBA for masters, right? Or management
Yeah,
in business administration, then you have to show the proof that your bachelor should be same field, okay,
yeah,
for mainly public universities. But now from 2025, some universities they're offering, if you have BCom or other degree like Bachelor of Art degree, you can go for management courses, but not MBA courses. MBA courses,
okay.
I already told you, like you need like relevant bachelor degree in, already in India. Then if you have relevant experience for 1.5 to 2 years, then only you are able to apply for MBA program. You don't have access
Yeah,
of
I
applying
have
directly
1.5 years of experience.
with the
Currently, I'm
same
also
relevant
doing a
field.
job.
Yeah,
Yeah,
okay.
now onwards, I'm doing a job in a CA firm or in a finance sector as well, in
Uh-huh.
accounting sector as well. I want to go for an MBA in Germany as a next year in 2026 intake. So
Yeah,
is
yeah,
it
that's what
eligible
I'm.
for that?
Yeah, yeah, that's what I'm asking you. Whatever the experience you have, they don't, consider. Your degree has to be BBA, okay? Bachelor of Business Administration has to be there, and also you have to work relevantly. Like you have done your BBA, and it has to be related to that, course in India. Then they'll, consider your, 2 years or 3 years experience. Otherwise, no way you can get into MBA program. But we do have alternate programs we can apply, like international business
Okay,
management or public sector management. All this you can apply, but not directly for MBA. Doing MBA in Germany is not so easy because you need to finish your BBA and 1.5 to 2 years experience to the relevant sector. Then only you are able to apply for MBA program. That too with multiple interviews will be there with you, and they'll check the experience should not be a fake one. And yeah, these are all matters. Definitely, you need
okay,
all this with you. Yeah,
okay, okay.
but
And
you can do alternate courses. Yes.
okay. And if I want to pursue a master's in finance, is it possible?
Yes,
Not in
definitely you can
management
do it.
sector, but in master's.
Finance, yes, masters in finance and masters in cyber security. We have different courses in masters. Definitely, you are eligible to do it in state recognized universities.
इसमें ड्यूअल कोर्स हो सकता है, मास्टर्स इन फाइनेंस विद एनालिटिक्स एंड another course
Yeah,
we can
yeah. Some
pursue.
universities they do have dual programs, and some universities they have only in English. So
Okay.
once you fill
And,
the form and submit, we can get back to you with the available courses and universities for you.
Okay. Thank you so
Yes.
much.
Yeah. Thank you.
Next person is Ashish Chaudhary.
Hello, guten Tag, ma'am.
Guten Tag.
Ma'am, I have completed my bachelor's and master's in yogic science, and I want to pursue sports and exercise science master's in Germany. Is it possible, ma'am?
You have done what? Bachelor's in
Master in yogic science. My
yogic science.
it is related to yoga.
Okay, but there is no yoga courses like in Germany right now.
I'm asking
Yeah.
for the sports and exercise science courses there. I have studied my subjects are anatomy and physiology, psychology. There are
Okay.
subjects I have studied.
Yeah,
So,
which is like physical training and physical education. We do have programs in some universities, state recognized universities only. I can update you like once you furnish the details.
okay, ma'am.
But you need German for that. Yes, definitely we'll help you out.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, thank you.
Deepika, you are the next.
Hello,
Deepika,
sir.
you may ask. Yes, please.
Hello, sir. Hello, ma'am.
Hello, Deepika. Please go ahead.
Ma'am, yeah, I have done my bachelor in science. Then I did my MBA in marketing and HR, and I have experience in banking. And for past 5 years, I've been working with the affiliate marketing company. Now I want to go Germany, so I am planning to have a short-term course, but I am not sure which course I should go for. Can you suggest
So-
me some which will
So
be
you have
helpful?
done your, can you please repeat like bachelor degree what you have done?
I have done my BSc, Bachelor in Science, and
Bachelor in
I
science
did,
and you have experience.
and then after I did masters in I did MBA in HR and marketing.
Okay,
I have
it's
experience
completely
in marketing.
different. Okay. Okay. Actually,
Yeah.
you have chances of doing double.
Sorry,
But
ma'am.
in
Your
public
voice
universities, I think it's
is
not
broken.
possible.
Can you come again? Sorry.
Yeah. Hi. Are you able to hear me now? I'm audible.
Yeah,
Hello?
now you're audible. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. See, first of all, you don't have relevant bachelor degree or master degree with you, right? Like you have completely different programs you have done. So if you wanted to
But
go for, yes, yeah. But if
my
you wish to
master's
go for,
degree. Sorry. You go
Mhm.
ahead.
Yes,
Should I
please
say?
tell me.
Okay,
Yes.
but my master degree and my experience are relevant. I mean, I'm working in the same field, which I have done my masters in.
Okay. Which is like in MBA sector.
Yes. I'm working in a
Okay.
marketing company. Yes.
So you wish to do masters, right?
Yeah.
Again,
Again, a
masters or
master.
into job.
Like, yeah, though I'm
Okay.
planning to have job. I have heard that if you get a degree from Germany only, then you will get some salary, and also I have like 8 years of experience of doing some course which I have to start from the start. That will not be a good option for me because I'm at some stable position right now in my life. So I want to do something which can enhance of me getting good jobs over there in Germany.
Okay. For example, if you wish to go for masters, definitely you can do like 1 year program because you already have experience right, in master degree. Then. So entering into direct jobs from India is not really possible because they have huge competition. They have chance carte program, but
Right.
still it doesn't work really for because we have a lot of competition from India and in the job market in Germany. Instead of that, I can give you an opportunity to do 1 year masters. Okay. which is relevant to this
Right.
field, and you can enter into Germany. Once you are become a student of German, like studying in Germany, then you'll get all the benefits of searching job for 2 years. They'll give, they'll be the visa will be extended, and again you have opportunity to search a job. Everything will be on the place. Instead of applying from India, better you can choose 1 year course and come there. Okay, along with your master degree, you can search for a job. It will give you good job opportunities along with your good German level.
Okay, so which master degree should I go for, and public university is an option or not?
Public university, I can't say. Definitely, it may possibly. We have to check. Okay, first of
Okay.
all, the requirements like from you, because you don't have relevant bachelor degree, right? Like to your masters.
Right.
So yeah,
Right.
definitely we will try, but 80% I think it should not be worth it. Like to apply public university, you can choose like to go state recognized universities, which is having very good courses related to your field particularly.
All right. Cool.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Welcome.
We have two more candidates, last two right now.
Mhm.
Kamal Jindal and then Shama Praveen. Kamal, you first. Kamal Jindal.
Hello, Guten Tag. I completed masters in physiotherapy and I want to pursue career in Germany. How can I do osteopathy course in Germany?
You have done your masters in physiotherapy.
Yes, ma'am. I want to do osteopathy course or PhD.
Not PhD is not really possible from India. Okay, you need like again C1 to C2 level of German. Then you have to apply through the university. It's like highly challenging, I can tell you, because becoming a PhD research student is not very easy. There are very less chances to get into it PhD program from India, from Indian students particularly. Instead of that, you
Okay,
can
ma'am.
do some house building program to switch your career, because I do have some student from who is already in Munich with MSc physiotherapy, but she's married and she came with the with family, but she applied and she started learning German till C1, and now she has started her career, because again you have to do house building program over there for 1.5 to 2 years. So you have
Okay, ma'am.
to go through that process, then only you are eligible to become a physiotherapist in Germany. Though you have masters, again you have to come to house building physiotherapy. Definitely you will get into a job.
Ma'am, what is duration of Ausbildung program?
Sorry?
Ma'am, duration of Ausbildung program.
Yeah, that is like depends. You have done your masters, no? We have to apply first. But, the hospital will decide like how many years
Okay, ma'am.
you are eligible to do. Yes,
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
you're welcome.
Okay, so for today, the last person, last candidate, Shama Praveen. Shah.
Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon,
Hello,
ma'am.
Shama. Good afternoon.
Ma'am, I want to apply for the bachelor in German, and I completed 1 year of bachelor degree in India. Is there any option?
Yeah, I'll tell you this option. First of all, I told you, right, your bachelor degree, the college should be, recognized under ANABN. You have to check your your college qualifications there, and then they'll consider your degree with 70% and above. If you have 12-year degree, intermediate here, like 12th class here, and again like bachelor degree 1 year in India, that university or college should be recognized under German government. That first we need to check. And also you have to finish your first year bachelor degree with 70%. It has to be like, in transcript. You have to get the
Yes, ma'am.
certificate from your college.
Yes, ma'am. I got 9.2 CGPA in my bachelor.
Are you going to get the first year certificate from your college that you have finished your first year bachelor's?
Yeah.
Definitely, right? Yeah. Then surely we will apply for student colleague, and you have to learn which course you wanted to choose in bachelor's.
Engineering in computer science.
Okay, then you need to finish your B2 level in in German, and you have to apply for student colleague program. There, you have to enter into foundation course. And by the way, the important thing is student colleague is not free. You have to pay for your accommodation, food, and even for the student colleague program. In Germany, you have to pay the student colleague 1 year fees from your side, and then only you are able to apply for free education in Germany for bachelor's. That is like computer engineering or whatever it is.
Ma'am, is there any possibility in computer science it will taught in English?
English,
Yeah.
no. There are very less chances for bachelor degree in English. But if you pay, there is state recognized universities. Then you can choose without foundation. For state recognized universities, there are bachelor programs in English, but no need to do for doing like 1 year foundation there in already like in Germany, and they have entrance test. If you pass, there is 3 year bachelor degree or whatever the engineering, software engineering or computer engineering you can do. But there is a tuition fees for that. If you can't pass that entrance test for state recognized university, then you have to take 6 months foundation. So that a total of years of bachelor degree will be 3 years, 6 months.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
That will be taught in English. You can study in English. IELTS score should be 5.5 overall for bachelor's.
Okay, thank you,
Yeah,
ma'am.
thank you.
स्टूडेंट्स, मैंने मैडम से 1.5 आवर के लिए रिक्वेस्ट की थी, तो टाइम अप हो गया है अभी के लिए. फिर मैडम को बुलाना चाहेंगे हम लोग. मैडम, हम लोग रेगुलरली अलग अलग फील्ड के एक्सपर्ट्स को बुलाते हैं, और आज का सेशन आपका बहुत शानदार था. आपने अच्छे से पेशेंस से सारे क्वेश्चंस के जवाब दिए. हमको बहुत खुशी है.
My pleasure, sir. Thank you so very much.
For that.
Thank you all. Thank you all the very best students. Yeah, if you have any queries, please fill the form and get back to us, so that surely we will review and get back to you shortly.
आपके फ्रेंड्स लोगों ने अगर किसी ने सेशन मिस किया है, तो जर्मन स्पीकर्स क्लब पे मैं कोशिश करूंगा वहां से आपको ये सारी इंफॉर्मेशन डिटेल इसका वीडियो मिले. थैंक यू सो मच मैडम. थैंक यू.
Thank you, sir. धन्यवाद.